many times I've used that for.
Wow, that's crazy.
But I wouldn't.
Yo, I would think
not yet. Tell her the pressure controls the bleed until if it hasn't stopped, that means the tourniquet is not tight enough.
Why she wouldn't? Could I actually wear
They see how Janae put it on because she did it really efficiently, so I don't know if they saw every step. Did they get to see it all? We can go through it slowly too.
أول سرية what the هم سرية بيا دو هم كواچوا بيا كاشكا
From me? Okay, so
بس أنا بومبا شيء أنا توك وينيكي أنا تيجي كنت بندكر هذا أغلى ويني وز بندكر وتروس أغلى داي خلاص وات تروس دا ويني جبندكي
little balls or a technique like that.
وات تكية داركم لك داركم لك
You're pressing. Oh yeah. You're gonna hold it pressure for 3 minutes.
دريد كذا برا
Before you wrap and get all the way
ويني
around.
ورا بندية أخواتي شيشة داركم مرتكرة
Go through
How many
twice.
times does she have to wrap it until she puts it inside?
Well, you go through twice. The first 2 times when you come to it, and then you flip backwards to get like that track, pull it really tight, like.
Wants us to do it over there because he doesn't want he said people are passing.
Tell Karima I'll be her patient. Are they ready? Ask her to thumbs up. Body on it, put all your weight. Jo, pače, białe, pače. Jo, Asha, what's not that yo? Ting. O'Neil say team.
Shut. That you okay? What's wrong? Well, did they kill that?